Hello explorers and welcome to Paris! I don't want to be super loud, it's still really early in the morning and people are still having their morning coffee and getting their energy back up. So I just arrived from a flight from Manila and arrived here at 7 a.m. and now we are here hanging out in a beautiful garden in this hotel, which I will be sharing with you guys later. If you guys want a place to stay in your next visit in Paris, I'll show you guys around. That's what I'll cover for the first part of this vlog. And then I don't know, we haven't really planned anything today. I think today is really just settling in to the time zone and spending time with my sister and her husband and my dad tomorrow. So we were planning Europe for the longest time, but what happened was we thought that my sister was leaving, still like 3 weeks from now. So we were just taking our time. And then when we messaged her, we realized she was leaving in less than a week. So me and Chris decided to book flights ASAP. Had to leave a few things behind. And then, yeah, here we are. A really quick, short-minute decision. But we've made it. And I get to spend time with family. And for me, that's all that matters. That's why I'm here. So yeah, first things first, I want to show you this beautiful hotel in case you guys want to stay here. And if you want to book this place, I will leave the link below. So this place is called Le Jardin by Locke Hotels. And the entrance itself is so beautiful, guys. So if you're looking for a long-term stay, a place that has a kitchen, has a washing machine in your room, this is a good option because the rooms actually have all that. And what really amazes me is the cafe, there's a workspace, and there's also like a bar, which we're heading to now, and it's all so beautiful. Let me show you the area where you can work as well. Yeah, I think this hotel has everything, especially if you want to stay here long term, because yeah, you could do everything in your room. So let me get in. And here is a quick peek of the view. So I'm not sure, but this part of town sounds very chill. I don't hear a lot of people. It's just me talking outside. Very peaceful neighborhood. And as I mentioned, if you get this hotel, what's great about it is you have laundry in your room. You also have a refrigerator. You can cook. There are some utensils, there are some pots. It's almost like an Airbnb, but you have the quality of a hotel. And guys, it's brand new, it's beautiful. So yeah, if you're looking to stay, in a place that's, in Paris that's longer than 1 week, you want a place where you could also chill and maybe cook some of your food, then I would suggest this hotel. So yeah, we're gonna get ready and yeah, explore Paris on day one.
You can't
like has a list, has a list.
Properly?
I need to see the guy.
Oh my god, don't even sit there and this is a bit like R18 kinda.
Oh, yes, you?
Me? What's that dress?
Dumbo? This is where they have
At the same?
Yeah, in,
It's a funny movie, actually. Yeah?
Sharknadoes? No,
no, it's not. It's center, straight back.
Welcome to Paris, babes.
God.
Nat, you wanna bring your bag with you?
It's already recording you.
Don't no waste gas.
What did you do to the water?
Destroyed it.
Why'd you destroy the water?
If you fall, you fall.
Where?
The chef wants to do this now. Less people.
Hey, St. Louis.
Very barricade using traditional methods. Oh, why the strawberry cakes are really good. Remember we went to Mediterranean?
Hmm?
That's it. Poison cake, burger, it's from the